Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is going to be the last video. I just started thinking while that other one's loading, it would be pretty cool to not have these circles go all the way to the edge if this is the exact shape of the grip. So we're going to do it two different ways to kind of see what you think would be the best. So we're going to take this and we're going to contour it to the inside 0.03. That's just a minute little contour. Now let's go up to Object and Break Contour Apart. Now let's take our contour. We'll tell you what, let's do not move it. Let's nudge it. So let's take the new one and nudge it over. Well, change my nudge factor to something bigger than that. Let's change it to 2 inches. And we're going to take this contour and then select all this and do our Intersect tool. It's going to take just a bit because there's a lot of dots in this thing, but it's almost there. I made my area too big, but you always want to make it bigger than little. And then grab that, and let's nudge that out of the way. And then if we take this and nudge it back, the dots aren't going to come all the way to the edge. And you could actually take away, probably go up to Object, Group. Well, I guess you can't. I think you could take away this. Yes. And then it would look like that. I think that would be a lot better than yesterday. You notice we had some parts like that you could still delete if they're way too little. Probably have to going to click on that, go up to Object, and ungroup them. You could still delete those little ones. But this way, I think with it not going all the way edge, it looks like you purposely did that. And then if this was the true, let's fill that in with a light colored, well, let's do a light colored yellow. And then the stock will actually, when it gets done, there's a lot of areas for it to fill in. So the stock would actually have a solid, non-touched area, but then the grips inside would be more, I think it'll be a more uniform look. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you.